in 1976. Some of us are old enough to participate in the transition program to move the country from military after Gowon administration and after the takeover by Murtala and Obasanjo. Whether it is possible for us to make this event as a marker, a point that a resolution could be made, that enough of our failure is enough, and something else must give way to our failure. We have failed enough, and I think we should now put a mark saying, agree that we have failed enough, we have failed this country enough, and this must stop.
Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now, in the midst of the economic hardship rocking the nation of Nigeria, it's no news that there has been different school of thoughts regarding the possible division of the nation Nigeria. Yes, different geopolitical zones has taken their stances regarding the alleged division of the nation Nigeria. And today, we have one of the leaders of the Northern Elders Council who has spoken up for everyone to see. And I'd like you to get the full details of the stance of the Northerners regarding the possible division of the nation Nigeria. Please do want to hit the comment section and drop your thoughts. Let's get to know what you think about the alleged possible division of the nation Nigeria, and we shall continually be here to serve you. Don't go anywhere. I'll be coming back to wrap up the video. My name is Moses and this is Think Tank TV.
I think I'm very lucky that I'm being called to speak at this particular point in time after a very good master of ceremonies has already spoken, and in his speech or their speech, they have virtually taken care of what would have been difficult for me as chairman to go through the protocol, because this hall is full of every member who deserves to be mentioned in a very formal way by way of protocol. They have done an excellent job of this. When Dr. Addo got to me and requested that I should be part of this event, I hesitated for a number of reasons. And by the time he finished talking to me, he gave me no room to escape this particular responsibility. And before he left my house, he requested me to call on some of my seniors or peers in years past to persuade them and to urge them to also be present here today. I may mention right here that the former president, General Olusegun Obasanjo, who was, well, a friend, sometimes a quarreling friend, and fear in some respects, my boss in many other respects, and so on, had been requested to honor this event. And he reminded me that I should call him to make sure that he accepts this invitation. In addition, he also requested me to call another president, former president of the country, in the person of General Babangida, who is also a associate and friend and so on for many years. And I did this. When I got to Obasanjo, he was in Addis Ababa, attending, I don't know in what capacity, the OAU summit that was taking place there. And I sent him a text, and he replied immediately. He said yes, he heard about the invitation, and he also read that Ango Abdullahi is going to be the chairman. And if I can confirm my being chairman of the event, he would like to confirm that he will come, even if we are going to quarrel here. So we are very hopeful that he will show up today, but I understand that something has gone amiss, whether here in Nigeria or somewhere else in some international airports. He's not here. But he has directed that one dignitary should represent him. And you have just heard that the Talba and the People's Servant, former governor of Niger State, is here to represent Chief Obasanjo, who should have been here today. We're still hopeful that if indeed the problem is between Lagos and here, he might be able to catch up with us before the end of this event. And you already heard who is going to represent the Madaki of Mina, President Babangida, eminently represented by a very renowned egghead here. So these are the two major personalities that I would have difficulty in introducing to you, but thank God they're personally not here, but their representatives are here. Well, I asked myself what role would I play here? Looking back at our history, fortunately I think I have accumulated a number of years that I could say I saw Nigeria under colonial administration. In fact, I was a returning officer in 1959 federal elections in Zaria. 1959 federal election, I was a returning officer for Sabon Gari Zaria constituency. Where did they pick me up from? From Nigerian College of Arts, Science and Technology, where I and Victor Wata were attending at that time.
You have seen it for yourself. Now, it is said that you can fool some people all the time. You can fool all the people sometimes, but you can never fool all the people all the time. Yes, there has been calls from well-meaning Nigerians to the political class regarding their style of leadership that many believe is not people-oriented. And it seems as though it has fallen on deaf ears all the years. Because you can see the nation, how things have been dwindling down. A lot of the advantages Nigeria as a nation has have been nosediving. And it seems as though our political class has done nothing about it all this while. They have all been there ensuring that they satisfy their selfish interests. It's actually not surprising that the economy of Nigeria has so far retarded to this extent. And I want to believe that this is the last chance our leaders and the political class has to ensure they correct the anomalies which they have messed up over the years, by ensuring that they bring up people-oriented policies that will change the lives of Nigerians. Because it's obvious, like you can see, that there may be possible revolution or division of the nation if care is not taken. I'd like you to do what to go to the comment section and drop your thoughts. Let's get to know what you think about the leaders of Nigeria and what they need to do regarding the change we require. Please also do what to hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video for more people to see and know exactly what is happening in the nation of Nigeria. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We really do not take it lightly. My name again is Moses and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.